In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight on this Ford Excursion. Let's get started. Let's use a T15 socket and remove all 4 bolts that hold the taillight onto the body of the vehicle. Remove the taillight. On the back side, you'll see the wiring. Now for this, I'm not going to disconnect the harness. I'm just going to twist the bulbs counterclockwise. They should pop out. This is the one that goes on the top. It's a 3-wire bulb. Remember which one goes where. And this is your reverse light bulb on the bottom. This is also a great time to replace these if needed. Here's the new taillight. Flip it over so we can install the bulbs. Remember which one goes where. This lower one is your reverse light bulb. So, there we go. Put it in, turn it to lock it. For the brake light bulb, you actually can't put it in like this because on this particular one, it's going to hit the wiring harness. So what we have to do is unplug the socket from the bulb. Just pry out on these 2 tabs, pull the bulb out. Now we can put the bulb and the socket in, lock it, plug the connector back in, and now we can mount our taillight. Line it up with the body. And start in whatever screw lines up first. Okay, that's one. Don't tighten it too much. These can actually break right through the lens if you over tighten them, so be very careful, especially if you're using a power tool. All right, just snug it. And the 2 on the bottom. All right, just snug. Once again, you don't want to crack the lens. Make sure the seal that goes around is actually sealing up not just on the body but also on the taillight. You want it to go over the taillight. The seal should not be under and behind the taillight. So if that's the case, back these screws off, get a plastic trim tool to pull it up and out. It should be kind of like a lip that sits over the taillight. Otherwise, water can get into the vehicle. And there you have it, taillight's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.